welcome back to EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build. We're now on episode 8. We've come down to see Yanni today and I'm standing here with Bert. So Bert, what's going to go on over the next couple of weeks?
So obviously car's just turned up, nice little thing it is. Obviously this, along with you guys, has been designed to stand out a little, which is what you guys wanted, so that's what we'll do. First things first, the car's going to come in, which it is. We'll wipe it down, make sure it's all dry and whatever else. We'll check the car over for any dents, dinks, imperfections and whatever else. Then we'll start stripping the vehicle down and then we'll get cracking with the wrap.
All right, perfect. So we'll see how that goes and we'll be back to pick it up in a few weeks.
EBC Fiesta ST is now complete. I've got Stefan with me from EBC. How you doing?
All right, nice to meet you, mate.
So talk to me, because obviously this is actually quite close to my heart because rays of sunshine are involved in this car. But firstly, let's talk about the car, what you decided to do to it and why.
Essentially, we wanted to do something for brand awareness for us and loads of local little tuners and yourselves, obviously. So we've got a lot of collaborators together to help out and make something really special that we can give away at the end of the year. I think it's now, due to the circumstances, going to be more like middle of next year, with all proceeds obviously going to charity, like you said, going to Rays of Sunshine. So the car's currently running about 379 horsepower, thanks to Puma speed. We've got some ST coilovers on it, some anti-roll bars, we've got some wheels on the way, we've got the wrap done by you. It's just so much stuff finally coming together.
It looks really cool.
It does.
So you said you got different wheels coming on?
We've got a couple of sets coming. We've got some Team Dynamics coming straight from Team Dynamics, and we've got a set of rotors coming, and then we'll have the standard ones.
So hold on. So that's 3 sets of wheels. That's 12 wheels for a car that has 4 wheels.
Yeah. It's just so when people decide to go and do their track days, because this is going to be primarily a track car, they can just have their selection of wheels, have some wet tyres, you know, have some dry tyres, maybe some semi-slicks, we'll see.
Have you tracked this before yourself?
We haven't yet. We're going to put it to the test and give it a bit of a shakedown and see what it's like.
You confident it will do the job on the track?
We hope so. We're pretty confident.
Front wheel drive, obviously.
Front wheel drive, it's got an LSD by Cusco, so we think it's going to be good. We've got some special guests coming on the day to, you know, put it through its paces.
So we want to hope that it actually lasts to be able to get to give it away for Rays of Sunshine and raise as much money as possible.
Absolutely.
And if it doesn't, out your own pocket?
Well, we'll be sorting it out.
See, that's all I want to hear. Stefan, I appreciate that. Guys, make sure you guys check out EBC Brakes. There's going to be loads more to do with the charity and how they're going to raise the money on their social media platforms, which you'll see in the description below and probably on the screen now as well. But for myself, Stefan, and this lovely Fiesta ST from EBC Brakes, we'll see you soon. Take care, guys.